Yo, I'm telling y'all, the Prius is crazy. The Prius is like that, man. Good morning, team. Running up with is popping.
Two, but they joining the pool. Okay.
Let's get it, yo. Hey, yo, check this out. I love y'all, man. I love the real ones. Good vibes, good hearts, good spirit, good soul. We the strongest fam on YouTube right now, especially for this subject. It's crazy. Let me know how all of y'all are doing, how y'all been, what's going on. We're gonna try to swipe something live. And yeah. Wow, look at that funny looking car over there. Feeling good today, you know what I'm saying? Feeling good today, got my electrolytes. Let's get it, let's get it. Did Instacart just do this to me? Instacart, did you just do this to me? Did you just do this to me? We swiped a $64 batch. Really close, like 3 miles. But, double store batch, here we go, right? Okay, double store batch. The first store is BJ's, which is fine, it's a wholesale club, right? The second store is Wegmans, I like Wegmans, I love Wegmans. But, the first store, fam. 100 bananas, 100 3-pound bunches of bananas. So 100 bunches, not 100 single bananas, 100 bunches of bananas. That's gonna be a lot. I mean, I know y'all thinking like, okay, it's just 100 bunches of bananas. That's a lot. But you know what? Team run it up, TAT, tat, turnaround time, savage mode. Let's go get these, let's go get these 100 bunches of bananas. Let me drink my electrolytes real quick, cause I'm gonna need some energy. Let me drink some of my electrolytes real quick. Y'all see that foam? Those are those electrolytes. We gonna need that. We gonna need some energy for this. 100 bunches of bananas. Let's get it. Yo, I can't believe this. 100 bunches of bananas. But we gotta think about the bright side. So what is the bright side to this batch right now? Well, the bright side is it's only one item. Okay, cool. And it's not waters. It's not 100 waters. Okay, that's a little better, right? And we know exactly where these bananas are. They're gonna be in one spot. So that's what it is. Hopefully this is not too massive because we still gotta shop the Wegmans order. Oh, here we go. Woo. I feel like we're about to clean out all of these bananas right now. Like every last pack is probably gonna be, all of these are probably gonna be right here. That's what I feel like. Let's get to it. Change of plans. We definitely need a cart because the bananas are gonna definitely fall off the flatbed. So yeah. Oh, here we go. Let's get to it. I'm tired. We're a little bit over halfway done. The first row of bananas is gone. All of these, with a total of 61 so far. So we got about 39 left. Let's get it. We did it. We're done. Have you ever seen 100 bunches of bananas? Here you go. Yo, I swear Instacart just loves getting me, man. 100 bunches. We're down to 1 box. They got 1 box left, man. King Kong done came to BJ's. Yo, I'm in line. I'm wondering if they're gonna want to recount them all or they just gonna believe me. But it's up to them. If they want to recount them all, they can take them all out and they can put them all back. And I'm just gonna go chill. If they want to take my word for it, we can get out of here quick. Cause this is, yeah, this is ridiculous. This is a lot of bananas.
Holy crap!
I'm telling you, man.
What the hell? That's all bananas.
I know. You see it? It's crazy, right?
That's stupid. Who needs that many?
King Kong, brother. King Kong. I'm going to his house.
Jasmine, look at this. It's all bananas.
Hey, I'm going to King Kong's house. We're having a party. You want to go?
Yeah, I'll probably drop when you sell this order.
I know. I'll see you later, brother.
Have fun.
I'll try to have fun.
I guess.
Hey, King Kong throws the best birthday parties.
I mean, maybe better when it's King Kong. And banana split.
Banana splits. I like that one. All right. Team run it up. All right, so I got lucky. They didn't want to recount them all. They did not want to recount them all. And look, BJs, don't get mad at your employees for not wanting to recount them all. I promise there's only 100 bananas in here. I don't even eat bananas. I'm keto. So, yeah, they didn't want to recount them all. They were like, is this a pre-order? Was this already pre-ordered? And she was looking at me like, just say yes, just say yes. And I was like, yeah, this is pre-ordered. I just got to pay with it with my Instacart card. And she was like, okay, awesome. Yeah, we don't need to count them. It's already pre-ordered. Just pay for it and you're good. I said, okay, cool. She did not want to count these. And that was the manager too. So I'm not going to say which BJs I am, but thank you, manager. You're a really cool manager for not wanting to waste our time and count all these bananas. Yo, I'm telling y'all, the Prius is crazy. The Prius is like that, man. 100 bananas, let's go. With some space available for the second order. Hopefully that's enough space, but let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we off this. All right, fam, so we are at our second store for the second shop of this batch. I gotta take off my sweater because I'm hot after those bananas, man. Them daggone bananas is something crazy. But we are at Wegmans now to shop the second order, which is only 26 items. Really easy. I just hope I have space in the car for all the groceries. Hopefully they all fit comfortably in my car. All right, so I'm down to my last item, okay? And right here, Flintstone gummies. We're done. We finished the last item. But see, Instacart, this is what the shoppers don't like. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it because I'm a savage, and I'm gonna be a savage, and I'm gonna get the bread if I have to get the bread. It is what it is. But we don't like this, Instacart. It's a double store batch. Look at all this stuff. Come on, Insta. Come on. You got family packs. You got 2 waters. You got a bunch of sodas. Like, come on. Instacart, man. There's like 1,000 bananas in my truck right now. And you gonna tag it up with this? Why you gonna do that to me? You don't like the boy? Come on, Insta. And of course, Instacart is gonna be Instacart because we gotta fit all of this into here. I mean, Instacart never fails. Let's get it.
2, but they drown in the pool. Okay, I might need a boost.